Hey guys, I'm back with another video today. This one here is on my futures journey. So what I have been doing lately is I have been in transition from my personal Thinkorswim account, from my futures account, and transferring them and putting them under my LLC name for businesses purposes, for um, house buying purposes, vehicle buying purposes. So everything is under my LLC. So I have two challenges under my LLC account. And right now I'm at day 7. I am down on my P&L, $74 on one and 33 bucks on another one. So I have, as long as I want to take to get to my target, which is $5,300 to be able to pass the exam. So I'm in no rush to trade them. If I don't see my A plus setup, then I do not trade. However, I have been taking small trades just to get my days calculated. So I have a plan that I have put together in order to help my success in this journey, because I'm very new to futures. So everything I've learned since I've started this journey in February, I've taught myself. So my plan is to trade my 5-9 VWAP Breakout Strategy, which I will do that in my next easy peasy video strategy. My rules are to only look for one good trade a day. If that setup does not appear, then I will not take a trade that day. I will wait 15 minutes after the market opens for the volatility to settle. I will ignore my P&L. That's one of my biggest things when it comes to futures, is those 50 points that move so fast. Makes you like you're losing more than you really are because of how fast it moves. So in these challenges, my goal is to ignore the P&L. And if there is no cross, then there is no trade. I will trade 3 contracts to minimize my risk into the market. My profit target is 100 ticks, and my tick stop is 70, which I have set up in an OCO bracket. And maybe I will do a video on that as well. So this is the beginning of the journey, and I will do my best to update every day on my win, my loss, and how I'm feeling, and what are my goals going forward on this journey. So this is it for today, guys. Tomorrow it will be live trading, so I wish you guys good luck. Bye.